Shenzhen OYU Industry Company Limited, established in 2002, is a high-tech enterprise with independent research and development capability in machining and injection molding industry. OYU is certified to ISO 9001 and ISO 14001, ISO 13485, IATF 16949. With the expansion and development of the company's business, we set up Dongguan OYU Precision Machining Technology Company Limited as manufacturing base. The 20,000 square foot facility provides a state-of-the-art workplace for over 300 employees. Factory is located in Dongguan, only 1 hour driving time from Shenzhen and 1.5 hour from Hong Kong. OYU has become the recognized name of customized CNC parts and plastic injection parts, as well as metal jigs and fixture. OYU is also the industry leader in custom, quick-turn CNC machining services for rapid prototyping parts. With modern precision machining workshop covering hundreds of various machines covering 3-axis, 5-axis, CNC milling, turning, grinding, EDM, wire cutting, as well as 120 units plastic injection machines. Our unmatched in-house capacity ensures your parts are shipped on every single time. Professional engineering and QC team equipped with leading Zeiss CMM and strong after-sales support also makes OYU become trustworthy supplier for clients all over the world. OYU mainly export to North American, Europe, and get high reputation from our clients. Choose OYU, your reliable partner for precision production to reach higher level.